Hello everyone, so today I am just going out to warm up my SRV. It's raining a lot. Oh god. Let's start the car. So this is my SRV 1.6 2006 model, and yep, it's on. Turn on the fan. So that's the Android player touchscreen. So I'll just show a cool feature of this. So you can see the car over there. So as soon as I turn on the headlight, so you would see it over there also. So that's this cool feature on the Android system that I have. Let's go out for a warm-up. So this was my first love. I had seen this car when I was in college in 2006 or something, and since then I wanted to buy this car. I got this car in 2015. It was a second owner car, and I would be keeping this car. So that's WRC sticker. This is my second car which I don't use. This is my second car which I don't usually use it more. It is just for the city purpose. For daily office I use my Ecosport, and for the weekend I have Adventure 390 and the Impulse. So as you can see, it is raining, so this is the perfect time for the off-roading. I'm not sure if I could go or not. Let's see. It's a short warm-up drive on this car. So when I was purchasing the Adventure, so what I did was, point of number, I selected the same number that I have of SRV. So the ending 4-digit is 0242. So it's the same on my Adventure. If you like my videos, just comment and let me know how it is. Chalo, bye. Take care. Ending it here. Bye bye.